Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm talking all about this cute little fanny from Clare. All right, so fall is almost here, kind of here. It's certainly not here in Florida, like whatsoever, but I do have some of my fall decor out and I'm embracing fall in like 100 degrees. But anyways, I don't know what it is about fall time, but I'm always drawn to the browns and the rich tones and the leathers and all of those type of bags. And this cute little fanny has been popping up all over my Instagram and Facebook and social media feeds. And I think it was just telling me that I had to have it. I can already tell that after having it for just a short couple of days that it's going to definitely be one of my favorite sling bags this fall and leading into winter and spring. I feel like this color especially is really nice for year round, but something about it just kind of screams fall. So I want to go ahead and try it on for you so that you can see kind of how it lays here across the body. And then like all my other reviews, I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down and show you this bag up close so that you can really see what fits inside and some of the details and hardware and all that kind of stuff. But this here is what it looks like on the body. I think it's so cute, and I think it's one of those materials that is really going to kind of soften and give over time. I can just tell the way that it hugs my body and just kind of lays on me that it's going to be a really good bag as far as like wear and tear moving forward. Now, like I said before, this is my first bag from Clare, so I can't really attest to that, but from what I can tell, it's going to be one that lasts a good while. So one of the things that I personally look for in a sling bag is the way that the strap attaches to the actual bag. I like it when it's attached by some type of a swivel clip or a removable strap and something that's a little bit more thin than something that's thicker, that's stationary on the bag. I just feel like it kind of lays on the body a little bit nicer and it's a little bit more comfortable. So love that about this. It's been something that I've been kind of drawn to as far as sling bags. One and only thing with this one that sticks out that could potentially be an issue or a problem for people that are taller is the length of the strap. Now I am 5 foot nothing, I'm very short, and I have this adjusted on the loosest strap, so the biggest strap option on here, and when I put it on, it fits me perfectly. Like, it's really comfortable. I feel like I could almost go one hole shorter if I wanted to have it sit up just a little bit higher, but I kind of like it to lay down just a little bit on me whenever I'm wearing sling bags. But if you are taller, this might be a little bit tight on you. Maybe not. It's just, I typically, when I have sling bags, I have them adjusted almost in the middle of straps. Again, just because of my height, it's like where I wear them at. But this one is on the, like I said, the loosest setting. So just something to note. Even with that being said, I can't get over how comfortable it is. And the size really is a perfect size. All right, so let's go ahead and put the camera down so I can show you what fits inside and all of the details of this bag. All right, so this little bag here holds a ton. It really does. And I actually don't have much organization to this because it is just like a belt kind of fanny pack, so I don't have any pouches or anything like that in here. It's all just kind of thrown in here, but you're gonna be shocked at how much actually fits inside. I love this woven material so much. It's really soft and kind of lays on the body just really nicely. I wanted to give an up close look of the zipper pull because you do have this little charm here that has the Clare logo on it. And then the strap here, obviously you can remove if you wanted to add a different sold separately type strap to it. It would be really cool with maybe like a red, white, and blue stripe strap, or like something nautical or something along the lines kind of like that. Again, I just really like the red zipper and like the richness color of this. The back of the bag here doesn't have any zipper pockets or anything like that. It's just completely flat, so you don't have any exterior zippers or anything like that. But the quality is really top notch. The zippers are nice and smooth. And then inside here, I actually have my cell phone right here on top.
I never really put it in here, to be honest. I just wanted to show that it fits like totally fine. This is an iPhone, oh gosh, I don't even know, maybe a 13 or a 4. I don't even know what number they're out with now. I don't know what this is. I think it's a 13. It's not like the newest one, but the one before it or something. But it's a Pro Max, so it is a larger one and it fits in here no problem. My cell phone case, which I've gotten asked about on a couple of random videos, and I realize I hardly ever talk about it because I don't ever pack my cell phone in any of my bags. But this case is by the company Wally, and I believe I have a discount code. I haven't talked about them much, but I do think I have a code with them. I really like it. I had a loopy case forever and I don't have any complaints on the loopy. I was just kind of looking to change it up a bit. And this one I really like because I can kind of put 2 fingers through it and it's just a little bit more secure than the loopy was. And you could put cards here if you wanted to like slip a card down in here and just carry your cell phone. There's also little tiny cutouts kind of right underneath there that you can adjust like your stand here. Doesn't sound like, I'd never use it, but you can kind of put it there and then you can lean your phone like if you were watching it or something like that. So the elastic, I've had this for, I mean, gosh, beginning of summer, I think maybe May, and I don't have any problems with it stretching out. It's still really nice and secure, and I think the patterns are really cute. They had a new collection that just came out recently that I wanted to look at. But anyway, sorry to go off on a tangent. I just wanted to kind of give attention to that because I got a couple questions on it. Everything else, like I said, is just thrown in there. Now, you can see through it, like very, very little, obviously, because it's a woven material. So if for some reason that bothers you, you can easily stick a little tiny pouch in here. But like I said, for me, it doesn't really, I just have everything thrown in here and I could easily grab whatever it is that I'm looking for. So my hand cream is in there. Again, not like my favorite one. I haven't gone down the rabbit hole of all the recommendations that you guys have given me on hand cream yet. So I still have that one. I have my eyeglasses here in this little kind of case from Amazon. Not the safest, but it kind of protects the lenses, but not really protects it from getting squished. But anyways, they're in there. I also have my O-Venture key ring. This is a resin one that they came out with forever ago, but I believe they still have it. I have an Apple AirTag on there, house keys, safety pin. I usually have a hair tie on there, so that's what I have on there. And then I also have my Ondar wallet. This thing is awesome. I have like a handful of wallets I really like. Let me know if a wallets favorite video would be a good one. I don't think I've done one of those in a while, but this one here is a leather wallet, comes with a wristlet, a spot here for your ID, has a little pull right here, which is something pretty unique that pulls your credit cards up here in the middle. You have another pocket here and then some pockets here for cards. It's just a great little small grab and go. I will sometimes even just attach my keys to this instead of the separate like O-Venture ring. And then I carry this and that's like all I need. So again, this is made by the company Ondar. The other things I have in here, I have Touchland hand sanitizer. I also have a lipstick by Merit Beauty. I have eye drops, Aquaphor, earbuds in there. It's actually my daughter's that I had thrown in there. Another hair tie, some Advil and Excedrin, and then my favorite like juicy lip product from Tarte. This is the color, I don't know what, Cherry Blossom? It's an older one, but it's one of my favorites. So I usually have like 100 of those in my bag. Anyways, this is what it looks like all opened up. As you can see, it's so soft and kind of squishy. It's really, really awesome material. I have zero complaints. I think this is gonna be a big favorite for a while.
All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that are interested in a fun new fall sling bag or interested in the Clare brand. I will have the link to this bag down below in the description box as well as pinned at the top of the comments should you want to see the other colors it comes in or shop one of these for yourself. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I am always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.